Welcome to the next tutorial, which is tutorial number 5 in chapter number 3, which is GitHub. Then we're going to learn about pushing, history, and our branches. So what I'm going to do is create a new folder. I'm going to call it feature 1 example. Then in it I'm going to say nav.txt just as an example, and say this is navigation, sorry, it doesn't have a plural like that. Then I'm going to commit that file and folder. Remember to commit, I'm going to do clear. Then first of all we have to add it, git status, just to show it's being tracked. So the whole feature thing, the feature 1 folder is being tracked. I'm going to commit this, so git add. I would have run git status to check, but I'm sure about my committing, and then git commit with a message that says this is feature 1. Did I tell you if you put space and then put the second one, you can put a longer description here that says this is another description, but in this one I'm going to show you that just to simplify the tutorial. This is feature 1, commit. Then if I do enter, yes, to the master branch, that's it. And then I want to push this online. So to push this online, we can just do git push. Okay, git push. Remember, we are not going to do git push u with origin and all that. I just do git push, and it's pushing online. And the reason why we are just doing git push is because we put the, remember how we did this command, this one here, git push upstream origin master branch. So this is the benefit of using the upstream flag. Okay, so we just did git push. If I didn't use the -u or upstream flag, we will need to put in the whole URL again, like the GitHub URL, which to me is a lot of work. Or we'll need to do git push origin and then the name of the branch, okay, without the URL. But the upstream assists us to do that. So right now we have GitHub basics, we have feature 1, and then the initial documents that were there. If we go online, sorry about that, I'm going to refresh. Voila, the feature 1 option is here, and that's the beauty of collaborating between local and online. If I click on here the clock item and it shows 2 commits, I'm able to see both commits, as you can see. So first one is this, the feature 1 commit, and then the first commit. If I come here and say git log, see 7b, this is feature 1 commit, this is the first commit, as you can see here, okay, where my cursor is. This is the first commit, and it takes this first, I think 7 or so characters, I'm not so sure. This is the ID, you'll see here, see 26A0651, 26A0651, and then the same 7D for the second commit, feature 1, it's here, 7db to b, you can see. Okay, so that's how we are able to move between the two, Git in our local machine and GitHub on our local on our remote repository. Sorry, I may slip over tongue there. So the only other thing I think I haven't shown you is the difference between git branch. This is going to show you the branches right now here on your local repo. If I do git branch -a, it's going to show me both the local one and the remote one. So it's showing me master branch on the local repo, and then in the remote repo under origin, which is our URL. Remember, I told you this is the origin. We have, instead of putting in all this, we've just renamed it and said this is origin. Okay, so origin, then under that origin URL there's a master branch. So under all this GitHub and basics, like I am African Ghost, blah blah blah. GitHub, there's a repo called master branch. I mean GitHub Basics. Under GitHub Basics there's a branch called master branch. Okay, and it's only one branch. I think that's it for now. Now that you've known there's a difference between Git branch and Git branch -a, which is basically saying all, show me all the branches. It's time to navigate to our next tutorial, where we'll be talking about remote and local tracking of branches. See you then.